Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to solve another problem of type 1 of partial fraction. So here is our question. In the numerator, we have x plus 4 and in denominator, we have x into x plus 1. So it one is our type 1 based partial fraction. So you can see that in the numerator, this is an 1 degree polynomial. As per our rule number 1, in the numerator, it should be a 1 degree polynomial, and in denominator, we should have factors. So in this question also, in the numerator, we have an 1 degree polynomial, and in denominator, we have two factors. So what will we do? At first, we will write like this: x plus 4 divided by x into x plus 1 equals a by x plus b by x plus 1. This is our equation number 1. Then we will just cross multiply both the terms, a with x by x plus 1 and b with x. Actually, we are taking the LCM. So in LHS, it should be x plus 4 by x into x plus 1. And in LHS, we have a into x plus 1 plus b into x divided by x into x plus 1. Eventually, the denominator in both sides are same and they will be cancelled out. So what we have right now, x plus 4 equals a into x plus 1 and b into x. So right now we have this equation. So this is our equation number 2. Now what will you do? You can see that if we put x equals minus 1 here, the whole term will be 0 and we will get the value of b only. So now we will put x equals to minus 1 in equation number 2. So what will we get? Minus 1 plus 4 equals a into minus 1 plus 1 plus b into minus 1, or 3 equals, here the term will be 0, a into 0 minus b, or b equals minus 3. So we have got the value of b is minus 3. Now if we take the value of x equals to 0 in equation 2, you can see that this whole thing will be 0 and we will get the value of a. So we will put x equals to minus 2 in equation 2. So we will get 0 plus 4 equals a into 0 plus 1 b into 0. So 4 equals a plus 0. Now we got a equals 4. So what was our first equation? Our first equation was x plus 4 divided by x into x plus 1 equals a by x plus b by x plus 1. Now we will just put the values of a and b in this equation. So the value of a is 4 by x plus the value of b is minus 3 by x plus 1. So this one is our desired answer. That's it for today's video. In the upcoming videos, we will solve more problems based on this topic. Thank you.